विल्सन है।
हाय, मेरा नाम एंजल विल्सन है
और आज हम लोग स्पेशली दुआ करेंगे कोरोना वायरस के और जल्दी से जल्द खत्म हो जाए।
और आज हम 40
स्टेशन
स्टेशन पढ़ेंगे। इन द नेम ऑफ द फादर एंड द सन एंड ऑफ द होली स्पिरिट, आमेन।
First station, Jesus is condemned to death.
For the sake of his being condemned to death, have mercy on us and on the whole world.
Second station, Jesus takes up his cross.
For the sake of his carrying the cross, have mercy on us and on the whole world.
Third station, Jesus falls the first time.
For the sake of his first fall under the weight of the cross, have mercy on us and on the whole world.
Fourth station, Jesus meets his sorrowful mother.
For the sake of his meeting his afflicted mother, have mercy on us and on the whole world.
Fifth station, Simon Stuyvesant carries the cross.
For the sake of his accepting help in carrying the cross, have mercy on us and on the whole world.
Sixth station, Veronica wipes the face of Jesus.
For the sake of his receiving mercy from Veronica, have mercy on us and on the whole world.
Seventh station, Jesus falls the second time.
For the sake of his second fall under the weight of the cross, have mercy on us and on the whole world.
Eighth station, Jesus meets the woman of Jerusalem.
For the sake of his consoling the woman, have mercy on us and on the whole world.
Ninth station, Jesus falls the third time.
For the sake of his third fall under the weight of the cross, have mercy on us and on the whole world.
10th station, Jesus is stripped of his garments.
For the sake of his being stripped, have mercy on us and on the whole world.
11th station, Jesus is nailed to the cross.
For the sake of his being crucified, have mercy on us and on the whole world.
12th station, Jesus is crucified and dies upon the cross.
For the sake of his death on the cross, have mercy on us and on the whole world.
13th station, Jesus is taken down from the cross.
For the sake of his sorrowful passion, have mercy on us and on the whole world.
14th station, Jesus is buried in the tomb.
For the sake of his being laid in the tomb, have mercy on us and on the whole world. Holy God, holy mighty one, holy immortal one, have mercy on us and on the whole world. Holy God, holy mighty one, holy immortal one, have mercy on us and on the whole world. Holy God, holy mighty one, holy immortal one, have mercy on us and on the whole world. In the name of the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit.